Stop storing food like this! What is happening? Everything is stored wrong.
Hey, why are you above me?
Because someone put me here.
This makes me nervous.
Relax, I am sealed. Gravity is not your friend. Gravity is never your friend. Contamination risk! Why is it warm again? Because we are on the door. This is exhausting. We need stable cold. Finally, peace. Why is it warmer here? Because this zone is risky. That sounds bad. It shortens freshness. Much better. Wait, do not close the fridge yet. There is more. Why does everything smell like onion? Because this is a fridge. Coffee absorbs smells and moisture. That means your flavor is gone. Now I taste flat.
Why are we wet already?
Someone washed us too early.
Moisture makes mold grow faster. That escalated quickly. Next time, wash us before eating. Why am I in the fridge already? Are you ripe yet? No, I am still hard. Then you should be outside. Now I belong here. Store food smarter. Waste less.
Eat better.
Like and subscribe for more fridge tips.
What is your biggest fridge mistake?
Write in the comments which fridge mistakes we should break down next. And watch part 1 on the channel.